Hey guys, Chad here with Pure Media Systems. Today we're unboxing the Klipsch RP-500SA Dolby Atmos modules. They can also be used for surround speakers, which is what we're using for today. So we're going to go ahead and unbox the box here. Of course, up top you've got your manuals. They got foam. Like anything else shipped, they're packaged very, very well. These are in the Walnut finish, which is new for the reference Premier line as of this last year. These are the modules here. Grills are all magnetic, just pops right off. We've got a cover here. As you can see on the back, they actually have a switch for Atmos or surround. So if the Dolby Atmos is if you have them on as up firing on top of your front towers. So we're going to pop those down, because we're actually going to use those as side surrounds in this situation here. Well, looking forward to get these mounted, and we'll do a follow-up video. Thanks, guys. Chad Grossman here with Pure Media Systems. We've got the cables run for the RP-500SA Dolby Atmos and surround speaker modules from Klipsch. We're going to make sure that it's level, of course. Perfect. And then just attach to the speaker grill, just like that.